So in my previous video, I explained to you guys the top 4 credit laws that everybody should know, whether you're a credit repair company or just an average individual who wants to learn to fix their credit. I went a little bit in depth and a little bit trick on how to actually understand that. If you guys haven't watched that video, I highly recommend to watch that one and then watch this one. But in this video, I want to break down what the FCRA, because this is gonna be the main, I don't want to say holy grail, but the main law that you're going to use to your advantage to get negative accounts deleted off your credit report. Remember, one thing that I want to emphasize and get through many people, because a lot of people feel guilty because obviously whether you purposely defaulted in the account or whether you stopped paying because you didn't have money, it doesn't matter. Again, the law is in your favor, okay? Again, it doesn't matter that you defaulted on the personal loan. It doesn't matter what your situation is. The law is very simple, and the main law that you're going to use to get a negative accounts removed off your credit report is called the FCRA, the Fair Credit Reporting Act. This act was, I'm not going to go into the history of the act because then I'll be blabbling for like a good 30 minutes, but I'm going to give you guys a brief summary of what it stands for and what it is. So FCRA is the law that governs the credit reporting agencies to ensure accuracy, fairness, and the privacy of information on consumers' files. The FCRA controls furnishers, which furnisher means like the banks, for example, like Chase, Walmart, Capital One, Dearden's, I don't even think Dearden exists, but you guys get the point, right? So the FCRA controls furnishers, which are those companies that actually provide or furnish information to the credit reporting agencies. So again, I want to let you guys know also too, one thing that I want to touch on is that it doesn't matter if you buy my DIY credit repair kit or somebody else's, or I don't care whose letter it is. The letters do not get deletions, okay? And let me say that again. Letters do not get deletions. It's knowing the actual laws and how to use it to your advantage based on the information that's on your credit report, because everybody's credit report is completely different. Everybody's going to have different types of violations or missing data, or maybe the Metro 2 format on certain lines on the column on the actual account is going to be missing. So again, don't be overwhelmed. There's a video on my YouTube channel if you're interested in learning all of that. I go into very in depth. It is pretty long, but if you're interested and got time, definitely recommend to watch that video. But the FCRA Credit Reporting Act is the law that's going to help you get negative accounts deleted off your credit report. Again, don't let that guiltiness, conscience, and that like again, whether you defaulted or whatever your situation is, it doesn't matter. Just use this law to your advantage and get negative accounts deleted off your credit report. This is a brief summary. I'm going to be including a link for you guys to study more the FCRA and for you to understand it. But this is basically a quick, brief summary. And again, I just want to emphasize, I don't care how good a letter is or who you bought it from, whether it's me or anybody else or the top best credit reporting agencies is getting deletions. Letters do not get deletions. Knowing the law and knowing how to use it to your advantage based on your situation is what's going to get the account removed off your credit report legally, and give you a second chance and a fresh start to start building and increasing your credit score all over again. What's going to set you apart is knowing the law to the dot, and you don't have to become a full master at it. You just need to know the basic principles and understand that the FCRA is there to help you, the consumer. If you guys are interested in learning more about credit repair, make sure you hit that like and subscribe button. I'm going to be uploading more videos and a bunch of free knowledge for you guys to help get results. Again, I'm not trying to sell you a credit repair course. I just really I've done my part, and now I really feel like I'm at a time where, or I'm in a place where I can actually teach people how to fix their own credit without hiring a credit repair company. Because unfortunately, not all, there are good companies out there, but most companies are just trying to take advantage of people's situation, and it's very unfortunate. I've seen this over and over happen, and what better way to try to fight that by providing free information. So if you guys are interested in learning free credit repair and advanced tactics, hit that like button, and I'll see you in the next video.